Hello, fabulous almost sixth graders, and welcome to your last sort of the year. This week you're going to be doing sort 55. The pattern this week contains the following letter combinations. You're going to have IE, words that contain an IE combination that make a long E sound. For example, words like thief and belief and grief, niece, priest, relieve, shield, yield. All of these words make the long E sound. You're also going to have words that have an EI combination that make a long E sound. So IE combination that makes the long E sound are words like sees, either, neither, and weird. And then you're going to have words that contain the CEI combination that also make the long E sound. So for example, receive, ceiling, conceit, deceive, receipt. And then your last letter combination is EI that makes the long A sound. So you have to be careful here because there are other words that contain the EI combination that make the long E sound, but these are words that contain the EI combination and make a long A sound. So you have words like neighbor, 18, freight, rain, sleigh, and way. You have one oddball, and that word is mischief, because it has the IE combination, but it does not make a long E sound. It does not say mischief, it says mischief. And then one bonus, this is not in your word sort, but you will get bonus points if you can correctly spell the word there, T-H-E-I-R, which refers to their house or their car or their habits, something that belongs to somebody. This is the appropriate way, the correct way to spell there. All right, fifth graders, this is your last sort. These are tricky rules that get messed up by adults all the time, and so you're going to master them before you leave fifth grade. You're amazing.